Una sa ating mga balita, nanindigan si Private Counsel Virgil Ligutan na wala siyang nilabag sa kanyang social media post kaugnay sa misleading questions matapos ipatupad ang Rule 18 sa impeachment court. Si Camille Gonzalez para sa detalye.
Bago mag-anunsyo ng ruling kaugnay ng umano'y paglabag sa sub judice rule, binigyan ni Presiding Officer Cheese Escudero ng oras si Atty. Virgil Ligutan para sa kanyang manifestation, kung saan inihayag ni Atty. Ligutan ang kanyang posisyon ukol sa nag-viral niyang Facebook post kaugnay ng misleading questions.
To the defense, I shall not name names. I will not put you on the spot. But the post is not about you. It's not personal. It is about the law that we all adhere to. Correcting a mistake is never wrong. Doing it while a hearing is ongoing online does not make it not right. Ang pagtatama ng mali ay kailanman hindi ipinagbabawal.
Giit pa ni Ligutan, mas nakakabagabag na hindi umamin ng depensa sa kanilang pagkakamali.
What is more troubling is for the defense not to admit their mistake. The defense cannot lecture me on humility. If there's somebody who needs to be reminded about humility, it's them, the defense.
Kasunod nito, sinabi ni Presiding Officer Cheese Escudero na mahigpit nang ipatutupad ng impeachment court ang Rule 18. Ipinagbabawal dito ang pagsisiwalat sa publiko ng mga detalye o merito ng kaso tulad ng kredibilidad ng testigo, karakter ng akusado at kabuluhan ng mga ebidensya. Pagpapaalala ni Escudero, hindi lang prosekusyon at depensa ang saklaw nito, kundi pati ang Respondent Vice President at Senator Judges. Dahil dito, pinagsabihan ni Escudero ang mga Senator Judge na panatilihin ang political neutrality at mag-ingat sa mga pahayag sa social media. Paalala rin sa mga abogado na lahat ng reklamo ay dapat direktang idulog at nireresolba sa loob ng korte.
To the prosecution, the primary duty of a public prosecutor is not to convict, but to see to it that justice is done. To my fellow Senator Judges, including this representation, the Chair adopts the reminder in Webb versus De Leon, GR numbers 1234 and 1245. Quote, more than convicting the guilty and acquitting the innocent, the business of this court is to assure fulfillment of the promise that justice shall be done and is done, and that the only way for this court to obtain an acquittal, from the bar of public opinion. To the respondent and her counsel, the corresponding duty of defense counsel is not to secure an acquittal at all cost. In People of the Philippines versus XXX, GR number 245926, the Supreme Court reminded counsel for the accused of their fiduciary duty to provide competent, efficient, consensus and diligent representation.
Sa utos ng presiding officer, sino mang lumabag sa Rule 18 ay magbabayad ng multang aabot sa 30,000 pesos sa bawat paglabag, habang nakadepende naman sa Korte Suprema ang nararapat na disciplinary actions kaugnay nito. Samantala, sa interjections ng Senator Judges, nakumpirmang hindi organic employee ng Office of the Vice President si Colonel Raymond Lachica.
What is the employment status of Colonel Lachica in the Office of the Vice President?
Colonel Lachica po is the group commander of the VP-SPG, and he is not an employee of the OVP, but he has an order coming from the AFP designating him as the group commander for the Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group.
Therefore, designation.
There
You're
is an
saying he is not employed. He does not have any employment status in the Office of the Vice President.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Gayunpaman, siya ang itinuturo ni Gina Acosta na pinagkatiwalaan ng Vice Presidente para sa disbursement ng OVP confidential funds ng walang fidelity bond.
Sa susunod na linggo, inaasahan ang pagsalang ng mga bagong testigo sa witness stand, kabilang ang isa sa mga miyembro ng Defense Council na si Atty. Michael Poa. Para sa totoong balita sa Bagong Pilipinas, Camille Gonzalez, Congress News.
Ako po si Bien Manalo. Para maging updated, manatiling nakatutok sa Congress TV, Congress TV Digital at sa iba pa naming social media pages.